Well, we're back after putting the old clutch back together. What happened was put the old one back together, so we have the old one laying on the bench right here. Well, what happened is on the inside of this right here, so the spline must not have lined up on this good enough. And then the bolt, let me see if that'll focus. The bolt didn't go on, and it actually ended up stripping this whole thing off. This clutch fell off on the inside, and I got stuck out riding. Well, the top speed was about 30 miles an hour last time, so what we're going to do is we put a brand new CVT clutch on. Everything's good to go. We're going to take it out and see what the new top speed is. So let's figure out what it does.